Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to test your Samsung A55 5G through phone diagnostics. So for checking up or for testing your phone, you have to go to members here. Now in this section, we have an option of a support. So just tap on support and then go to phone diagnostic. Now as you guys see, we have an option of a test all. So just click on test all to test your phone. And this test is performed automatically. Okay, now you have to draw the pattern for checking up the screen. Okay, press the volume button up. Now press volume down button and press side button. Now turn on the flashlight. If it is working, so click yes. Guys, you can also skip the test if you want, but if you want to continue, you can click continue. Okay, so I am skipping up the test. So right now I am stopping the diagnostic, guys, and this is how it's work. You have to follow all the instruction which they give you. So that's how, guys, we can test our A55 5G device through phone diagnostic. So that is it, guys, about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.